We want to look at the LM curve and liquidity trap. Now, we know liquidity trap occurs when the nominal interest rate reaches its lower bound, which is zero. Now, what this zero lower bound is going to do is it's going to introduce a kink into the LM curve. Now, when we graph the LM curve in the y-I plane with y on the x-axis and I on the y-axis, so our LM curve will have two portions with different slopes. As we can see, for I greater than 0, the LM curve will look normal, it will still slope upwards. But for I is equal to 0, which is when the nominal interest rate reaches its zero lower bound, which is a liquidity trap, the LM curve will be a horizontal line at I is equal to 0, which coincides with the x-axis because we know the interest rate cannot go below 0. Nominal interest rate cannot go below 0. So the initial portion of the LM curve is a horizontal straight line due to the liquidity trap. The remaining portion is still upward sloping for I greater than 0, as in the figure below, where our LM curve is given by OX LM1. So now let's see how can we depict the equilibrium of an economy in a liquidity trap in the y-I plane, assuming a downward sloping IS curve. We know if the economy is in a liquidity trap, this means that it is in an equilibrium where the nominal interest rate has hit its zero lower bound. So the intersection between the IS and the LM curves must take place somewhere along this horizontal portion of the LM curve, because this horizontal portion of the LM curve is where the nominal interest rate has hit its zero lower bound and we have a liquidity trap. So the economy is initially in a liquidity trap. The intersection between the IS and the LM curve will occur along the horizontal portion of the LM curve at a point like A in the figure below, where output is YA and interest rate is zero, i.e. it has hit its zero lower bound and hence the economy is in a liquidity trap.